friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher education, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos in my channel. Today we will discuss multiple integral. Now there are some problems solved of multiple integral. Number first problem. Evaluate integral limit 0 to 1 integral limit 0 to 1 dx dy upon under root 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Now solution is integration limit 0 to 1 dx dy upon under root 1 minus x square 1 minus y square can be written as integral limit 0 to 1 integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 minus x square. Now bracket is closed, dy under root 1 minus y square. That is, this is limit of x, this is limit of y. Now integral y is equal to 0 to 1. Integral of this sine inverse x limit 0 to 1 dy upon under root 1 minus y square. Now integral limit 0 to 1, the value of sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0 dy upon under root 1 minus y square. This is equal to 0, this is equal to pi by 2. Now pi by 2 is common. Integral limit 0 to 1 dy upon under root 1 minus y square. This is equal to pi by 2. Or the value of integral is sine inverse y. Limit 0 to 1. This is equal to pi by 2 sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0. This is equal to 0. Sine inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2. Now pi by 2, this is equal to pi square by 4. This is the complete solution. Now question number 2. Prove that integral limit 0 to 1 dx integral limit 0 to 1 x minus y upon x plus y whole cube dy is not equal to integral limit 0 to 1 dy integral limit 0 to 1 x minus y dx upon x plus y whole cube. Solution. Now left hand limit, the left hand side integral limit 0 to 1, this is the limit of x. Now limit of y. Now here x is add and subtract, that is 2x minus x plus y upon x plus y whole cube dy. Okay. Now integral limit 0 to 1 dx. Now 2x upon x plus y whole cube minus integral limit 0 to 1 minus 1 upon x plus y whole square dy. Now this is equal to limit 0 to 1 dx, the integration of this 2x as it, the integration of x plus y whole power minus 3 equal to minus 2 x plus y whole power 2. Now integration of this with respect to y minus plus 1 upon x plus y. Now limit 0 to 1. Okay, now 2 is cancelled by this. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 1. Now limit here y is equal to 1. Okay, minus x upon x plus 1 whole square. When we put x is equal to 0, that is lower limit, minus minus plus x upon x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x dx. This cancel by this. Okay, now limit 0 to 1 minus 1 add and 1 subtract here, x plus 1 whole square plus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket close dx. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 minus plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square plus 1 upon x plus 1. Now dx, first term cancel by last term. Now integration of 1 upon x plus 1 whole square equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now limit 0 to 1. This is equal to minus, when x is equal to 1, 1 upon 2. When x is equal to 0, 1 upon 1. Okay, this is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the value of left hand side. Now similarly we can calculate right hand side. Value of right hand side, integral limit 0 to 1 dy, integral limit 0 to 1 x minus y upon x plus y whole cube dx. Now integral limit 0 to 1 dy. Now here integral limit 0 to 1 x plus y minus 2y upon x plus y whole cube dx bracket close. Now here y is add and y is subtract. Now integral limit 0 to 1 dy, integral limit 0 to 1, this is equal to 1 upon x plus y whole square minus 2y upon x plus y whole cube. Okay student, now dy dx d. Now integration here, integral limit 0 to 1 dy. Now integration with respect to x, minus 1 upon x plus y. Now integration minus 2y upon minus 2 x plus y whole power 2 limit 0 to 1. This is equal to limit 0 to 1. Now put x is equal to 1, then we get minus 1 upon y plus 1. When x is equal to 0, then we get plus 1 upon y. Now 2 is cancelled by 2. X is equal to 1, that is y plus 1 whole square minus y upon y square. This is cancelled by this. Now dy is here. Okay. Similarly integral limit 0 to 1 minus 1 upon y plus 1 as it. Now plus 1 subtract and 1 add, that is y plus 1 as it dy. Now integral limit 0 to 1 minus 1 upon y plus 1 as it plus 1 upon y plus 1 minus 1 upon y plus 1 whole square dy. Now this cancel by this. Now integration of this, 1 upon y plus 1 minus minus plus integral limit 0 to 1. This is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is not equal to value of left hand side. Okay. Therefore, both integral are not equal. Now question number 3. Integral limit 0 to 1. Integral limit 0 to under root 1 plus x square dy dx upon 1 plus x square plus y square. Now answer is integral limit 0 to 1 integral. This is the limit of y. Sorry, this is the limit of x, or this is the limit of y. Y is equal to 0 to under root 1 plus x square. Now dy dx. Okay. Now we can write under root 1 plus x square whole square plus y square can be written as. Since the limit is in terms of x, that is, we can say this is the limit of y. Now integrate first with respect to y. Now limit x is equal to 0 to 1 as it. This is equal to 1 upon under root 1 plus x square tan inverse y upon under root 1 plus x square. Okay. This is the limit under root 0 to under root 1 plus x square. Now dx as it. This is the limit x is equal to limit 0 to 1 under root 1 plus x square as it. Now put value of y. This is equal to under root 1 plus x square under root 1 plus x square minus tan inverse 0. This is equal to dx. This is equal to 0. This is equal to pi by 4. This is equal to tan inverse 1. The value of tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. Now pi by 4 is a constant outside the integral. Now integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 plus x square. Now pi by 4. The value of integration always log x plus under root 1 plus x square. Now limit 0 to 1. This is equal to pi by 4 log 1 plus under root 2 minus log 0 plus 1 plus 0. This is log 1 always 0. This is equal to pi by 4 log under root 2 plus 1. Okay student, this is the complete solution. Now next problem number 4, that is question number 4. Integral limit 0 to a, second integral limit 0 to under root a square minus y square under root a square minus x square minus y square dx dy value. Now solution is integral limit 0 to a. This is the limit of x, limit of y here. Now limit of x 0 to under root a square minus y square. Okay. Now we can write under root a square minus y square whole square minus x square dx dy. Since second limit in terms of y, that is, we can say this is the limit of x. So first integrate with respect to x here. Okay. This is equal to limit y is equal to 0 to as it. The integration of this x by 2 under root a square minus y square minus x square as it plus a square, that is under root a square minus y square that is a square minus y square upon 2. Now sin inverse x upon a, that is x upon under root a square minus y square. Now limit 0 to under root a square minus y square. Now dy. When we put here x is equal to under root a square minus y square here, then we get 0. And now putting lower limit of x here 0, then we get this is equal to 0. That is, we can say the first term of always 0. Now second term, a square minus y square upon 2 as it. Now sin inverse 1 minus sin inverse 0. Okay, bracket close dy. When x is equal to under root a square minus y square, this is cancelled by this. This is equal to sin inverse 1. The value of sin inverse 0 always 0. The value of sin inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2. Now pi by 4 is common, limit 0 to a. Now here a square minus y square dy. Now integration of this pi by 4 as it. Now a square y minus a cube y cube upon 3, limit 0 to a. Now pi by 4 a to the power 3 minus a to the power 3 upon 3, this is equal to pi a to the power 3 upon 6. Okay, this is the value of integral. Now next problem, that is next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is evaluate double integration e to the power 2x plus 3y dx dy over the triangle bounded by x equal to 0, comma y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, student. Now here we determine the value of double integration. Now this is equal to integral double integration e to the power 2x plus 3y dx dy. Now both limit x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Both lower limit are 0, but upper limit of x, here x plus y is equal to 1. Now y is height, the x is equal to 1. The upper limit of x 1, but upper limit of y 1 minus x. Okay, the upper limit of y is equal to 1 minus x. Since y in terms of x, because the second limit of y always calculated at which y is functioning already. Therefore y is equal to 1 minus x. Now e to the power 2x plus 3y dx dy as it. Now integrate here. First integration with respect to y, since the limit of y in terms of x. Therefore for integrate with respect to y here. Now integration limit x tending to x is equal to 0 to 1 as it. Now e to the power 2x as it into e to the power 3y upon 3 limit 0 to 1 minus x dx as it. Okay, now 1 upon 3 limit 0 to 1 e to the power 2x as it e to the power 3 1 minus x minus 1 dx. Now 1 upon 3 integral limit 0 to 1 multiplied here, then we get e to the power 3 into e to the power minus x. E to the power minus x minus e to the power 2x dx. Now integrate 1 upon 3 e to the power 3 e to the power minus x upon minus 1 minus e to the power 2x upon 2, the limit of this 0 to 1. Now 1 upon 3 minus e to the power 3 e to the power minus 1 minus 1 minus e to the power 2 upon 2, now plus 1 upon 2 here. Okay, now we can write 1 upon 3 e to the power minus e to the power minus e to the power 2 plus e to the power 3 minus e square upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, now we can write 1 upon 3 e to the power 3 minus 3 by 2 e square plus 1 upon 2. Now we can write 1 upon 6 2e cube minus 3e square plus 1. This is the value of integration. Now next question number 6. Double integration. The limit of first integration 1 to a, limit of second integration 1 to b, dy dx upon xy. Then we can write dy upon y dx upon x. The limit of x 1 to a, the limit of y 1 to b. Okay, now x is equal to 1 to a, the limit of y 1 to b, the integrate with respect to y here. First log y 1 to b dx upon x as it. Now limit 1 to a log b minus log 1. Value of log 1 is equal to 0. Now dx upon x. Now log b, integration of 1 upon x, log x. Now putting the value 1 to a. Now log b, log a minus log 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. That is log a into log b. This is the complete solution. Okay, student.